Where do you see yourself after your degree? Perhaps in the halls of government shaping policy, analyzing markets in the financial sector, or maybe advancing our understanding of economics in academia. Wherever your curiosity takes you, completing an honors degree will provide you with the analytical rigor and critical thinking skills required to design solutions to the world's most complex challenges.
Honors is a one-year program built around 4 advanced courses and an original research thesis. The coursework pushes you further into microeconomics, macroeconomics, and quantitative methods. But the centerpiece is the thesis. It's an independent research project, and you identify a real economic question, you design the methodology to answer it, and you present your findings. You'll work with a supervisor, but the thinking, it's yours, and it will be your first real contribution to the field.
Where does it take you? Our honors graduates have been recruited by the Treasury, central banks, and top consulting firms. For many of these organizations, honors is the entry point. It's the qualification that gets you into graduate economist roles. Honors also offers a pathway to further research at the PhD level. Recent UNSW graduates have gone on to doctoral programs both here and abroad at MIT, Yale, Oxford, the London School of Economics, and UC Berkeley.
How do I get into honors? Entry to the honors program is competitive and based on academic merit. You will need a weighted average mark of at least 70 overall and within your economics major. To give you a realistic view, among recent successful applicants, the median one was 80 overall and 82 in economics. We recommend that you have completed Micro 2, Macro 2, Mathematical Economics, and a third-year econometrics course. If you're missing one of those, you can still apply. What we're really looking for is a demonstration of strong quantitative thinking.
There are a few steps involved in applying for the honors program, but the most important thing is that you begin planning early. To apply, you will need to submit your academic transcript and a short thesis proposal. You can also include a brief statement of purpose that outlines your research interests and academic strengths. Get ready to take your economics degree to the next level and unlock exciting career opportunities. Apply today.